Like there was this immediate feeling of, a bunch of guys that actually really liked to hang out together. And I didn't know if it was real or manufactured or, luck or planned or spontaneous, but it was unlike anything I had ever heard before. I mean, I'd heard many shows with great chemistry, but this was the whole station. Like it had this continual, ongoing brotherhood. It was a fraternity, and all the things we used to use for liners on the air. It was a Tupperware party for guys. It was a fraternity. it was the toy section, but then there was a lot going on, as there always is in this town, with the sports teams. And the minute you would be, man, I don't know if these guys, they don't seem serious about anything. And then a big story would happen to be like, oh, shit, they know what they're talking about.
You'd find out how serious we could be.
These guys can cover sports. Like, they know everything about everything that's happening, and they're on top of it. And so it was like trying to understand all of that. And I think it's really good that it was completely different, and I didn't really understand it, because it allowed me to say to myself, why am I going to go try to, put a bunch of philosophies on these guys or tell them everything I've ever learned? Because I was still pretty young and I hadn't learned it all.